Alcohol can be enticing, and very few of us could truthfully say we never indulge. But there is a reason for legal age limits for the purchase and consumption of alcoholic beverages. According to the US-based Centers for Disease Control, youth who drink alcohol are more likely to experience school, social, legal, and physical consequences. There is a higher risk for suicide and homicide, alcohol-related car crashes, memory problems, and death from alcohol poisoning. Unfortunately, many young people never see the dangers until it is too late.
Poor Scott. I can't believe he's missing the party.
It's his own fault.
That's not fair. It was an accident. He didn't mean to get drunk.
Alcohol is the most widely used substance in Jamaica and in the wider region among adults and adolescents. Our lack of enforcement of the laws which were created to protect our children leads to widespread access among underage youth to purchase and use alcohol. The all-inclusive parties, the sporting activities, community dances, our very own night, local shops and bars, and our private homes all have contributed in their own way to this pervasive problem.
And this is why the Ministry of Education has partnered with private sector company Red Stripe on their initiative dubbed The Movement.
And the movement contributes to our drive to implement the global beer, wine, and spirits producers' commitments, which include a commitment to reduce underage drinking as part of our overall efforts to support the WHO's global strategy to reduce the harmful use of alcohol.
So the movement will be engaging students from approximately 30 schools island-wide in a live theatre production on the issue.
The movement is a live theatre production which seeks to change young persons' attitudes to alcohol. It's also aimed at educating students on the facts about alcohol, explores causes and consequences of alcohol misuse, and helps students tackle peer pressure and make informed choices.
The Education Ministry sees the public-private partnership as significant in targeting and reaching our youth who are more prone to the dangers of alcohol misuse due to peer pressure.
And we want to use ways to educate our young people, so even when they leave the formal school system, a lot of them still under the age of 18, they are given the skills that allow them to make responsible choices. This supports the ministry's policy against substance abuse in schools, which has been promulgated through our school safety and security manual. We see schools as drug-free zones.
The movement is also supported by the National Council on Drug Abuse and the National Parenting Support Commission.
We are especially pleased about this as recent feedback from youth suggests that radical changes are required in the way that we deliver information about alcohol and drug prevention.
Let's all play our part in stopping underage drinking. You can make the difference in a young person's life.
We have been doing it, but we need support. It will take partnership to change culture. It will take partnership for us to have a different outlook and a different approach. And this sort of partnership that brings in corporate Jamaica, community, government, that is what we need.